Hey guys, what's up? My name is Nicole, and today I wanted to talk to you about this GLP-1 support product that I purchased recently from Amazon. And I got it maybe about a week ago, and it was a few days before I started taking it. So I've now been taking it around 4 days, and I just wanted to talk to you about what it's been like for me and my thoughts about it so far, right? So when I first read the instructions, it said to take about 30 minutes before your largest meal. My only issue with that is that my largest meal every day is generally going to be my dinner. And I am a little scatterbrained as a person. And anything that's going to be part of my routine that I do like consistently needs to be in the mornings or like around lunchtime because I just have the kind of mind that's all over the place. I'm very forgetful and I need something that could be part of my routine. So I spent some time doing some research for myself to see like what matters most. Does it matter more to take it 30 minutes before the biggest meal of the day, or does it matter more to take it daily consistently? And I landed on, for me, doing it daily consistently. And so I do a protein shake every day around sometime between noon and 2. It's my lunch. I do just coffee in the mornings, black coffee and water, sort of like, I don't know, that's just my routine. And then I started taking 3 of these like it calls for 30 minutes before that shake, sometimes 15 minutes before. It just kind of depends on when I'm paying attention to things, right? And I was really curious. I mean, obviously, we hear about GLP-1s and like the body's GLP-1 and how that works and functions. And there's a lot of buzz around that, right? For me, I would say the way that this has helped me, that's been the most obvious in the short time that I've been using it, and I didn't know this. I was just thinking, man, I've had a lot of like energy and been wanting to move more, and I'm in my late 40s, so I'm kind of in that phase where there's a lot of changes, and the desire to get up and move a lot has not really been there. I sit behind a computer most of the day, but I just noticed I had like so much more energy. I started doing things I wouldn't necessarily do. Maybe I'm making my coffee and I'm doing 20 squats in the kitchen. Why? Like, what is happening? Um, so there was just like this energy production. But then when I get hungry, I'd be like hungry, right? Like I'm ready to eat. And then once I've had enough, it's been enough. And so I know food noise is something people have talked about a lot. I deal with that a lot. And so for me, it wasn't necessarily like I am not ever feeling hungry, but it was like there was a shift in my metabolism. At least that's how it was feeling. And so I didn't really know what this had to do with metabolism. And so just based on how I was feeling after a few days, I went and did a little more research, and it turns out this helps to support metabolism. So I was like, this makes so much sense. Um, so I have seen a little drop in weight over the past few days, which is cool. Um, I'm smaller up top. I carry my weight in the lower part of my body. And that's cool, but like I think that the metabolism support has been surprising because I didn't really know what that would do, and I've just been noticing that change, and I wasn't looking for it because I didn't even know to expect that. So anyway, for what that's worth, that's been my experience so far. I'll do an update after I've been using this supplement for longer and kind of tell you the other ways that I see that it's helped me. And I hope that information is helpful for you. And I hope you have a really great day. Thanks so much for sticking around with me, and we'll see you soon.